Ano to, if fire mo, pwede mo siya i-fire, kuya? Ano mo?
Hindi. Pwede naman mo i-smell kung gusto mo.
Or,
Tapos may mas maganda pa. Punta ka sa house ko, mag-borrow ka. Wag mo i-break ka, wag mo i-break.
ano yun, may kalaban.
Punta ka sa loob, tapos pinutan mo, tapos lagay mo sa slot. Ganyan. Tapos kikita mo yung kuha mo.
Kailan mo lang to, daya naman.
Bakit?
Kailan mo na ito?
Diyan madaya. Naggawa ko
Paano yan?
grindstone.
Stone cutter? Paano makakagawa ng stone cutter?
Search mo.
Okay. I want to make some house. Sino
Creeper
may kumakalaban sa akin?
Ah,
Oh, so that's why you have that kind of design. Oh, is that so? Kaya paano mo na ginawa yung pinindot mo? Ayun.
ganyan. Ito nagbibigay sa akin ng
Magkano ko lang?
6 yun, di ba?
gusto mo bigyan ko
Hindi
ikaw?
ba 8,000 yun? 5,500. Ay, hindi ko Bakit kulay yellow? Kulay ano to? Kulay green. Kulay green.
Nag-oxidize na.
SNUBCRWNT4490 was shot by skeleton.
Ano yung hulog? Charger? Ano yung hulog? Ano yung charger? Feed.
Remote.
Robot na pala.
Ow! I-charge ka dad. Ito yung ginagawa ko ng house ng happy ka.
Hmm. Sa baba, ano charger ko? Ito lang. Dito.
Wow, ang ganda. Dad, bibigay ko sa yung spare building ano ko. Gusto mo ba?
Yung?
Mas spare building blocks ko.
Lagay mo lang dun sa ano? Dun sa...
Hindi bibigay ko na sa'yo.
Hindi ko pwede pa. Hindi pa ako gagawa ng bahay ko eh.
Hindi ko pagkagawa.
Ito mo yung chat mo niya.
Ni?
Di ba ilan kita sa bahay?
Parang wala.
Dapat.
Wala ako sa pahaman.
Good day, parents. We would like to remind everyone to please take care of the structure of your belongings during cleaning. And to always make sure your vehicles are properly locked. Earlier today, there was an incident involving an attempt to open a car door and another vehicle was unfortunately opened, resulting in the loss of a continuous problems. Everybody's safety and security, please avoid leaving important items inside
Glass. You need glass. Ay, ganun.
and double check that your doors are locked before you leave.
Nagawa na ako.
May ganung senaryo?
Ow! fine, just gonna wait. It takes about 20 minutes, so
Nakuha mo na yung ano?
gonna wait. Gonna make some building blocks for you. And I have 2 doors actually for you.
Okay.
No. Bruh. Definitely lighting this place up well. Igagawa ko lang yung building blocks mo. Dad, gusto mo din ng stairs?
Yeah, okay.
Ilan?
7.
Anong... Ay, isa, dalawa,
7.
tatlo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, nagawa ko na yung ibang building blocks.
What's in your bag?
Just a makeup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yan, nilagay ko dito iba. Ako mo nilagay.
Bigay ko na
Pati
sa'yo.
mga calcite ba, ganyan din niya, kuya?
Calcite? Hindi ko pa na-check. Nasa, andito? Okay, lalagay ko yung the rest.
Ay, wala kuha.
Ayun, ang dami. Daming building blocks. Gawa pa ako.
Gravel. Ano ba, paano nagkukakulay to?
Tough. Maganda tough.
Wow.
Maganda?
Yeah, different, ano. Cheese dip, ano.
Nagawa pa ako, Dad.
Thanks.
Ginamit ko yung tough.
What a day.
Yan, yan,
I'm gonna make some.
yan, yan, at yan. May carpet pa pala?
Sino gumawa ng carpet?
Hindi ko alam.
Uy, sino yun? Ate ko yun?
Yan pa ka.
I'm a doctor. I need to go in. I need to go in. There's a patient. Wait a second, young man. What?
Blackstone.
Sweets again. No, my sweets.
Nakagawa tayo ng whole neighborhood. Nagawa ko.
Right, di kaya ni ma'am?
Pagka-pwesto ng ano ko din.
Huwag anak, huwag mo sirain.
Love you, Daddy.
For what?
May nakabibigay sila, Dad.
Ayan.
Ito,
Netherrack. Pwede mo gawin yung netherrack, hindi.
netherrack? Nope.
Ah, wala. Talaga.
Posible.
Imposible. Ano yun?
A free witch.
So may witch.
STRYP3R198.
Sorry.
Real slain by STRYP3R2.
Oh, grabe naman yung witch yun. Nandun sa to.
Sorry naman.
Okay.
My favorite emoji is the poop emoji.
Dad, parma. Wait lang.
What's wrong with that poop emoji?
I'm looking for a cave na maganda yung... Ito
And the first task will be guess the word by the emoji, and you will need this. But first, let's have some golden cake with the emoji.
Magdaday ako.
Now let's move to the next task. Steffi Dasher, guess this word. Correct, Dasha. And this is for you. Now, guess this.
Ate, ba't kinuha mo yung kulay purple?
Correct.
For what?
And what about this one, girls?
Dad, linagay ko lahat ng building blocks na pwede mo gamitin.
Thank you.
It's popcorn. Steffi Dasha, can you guess this word? Correct. What about this? Well done.
Dad.
What about the last
Oh? You just watch muna. Hindi pwede.
job, girls?
Watch lang kayo ni ma'am. Hug lang. Ah, yan lang yung hug. Eh, hindi pwede pa. Sa ma'am, hindi ka pa pwede, di ba? Sabi ni mami. At saka si daddy. Ay, ayun.
May 36 na
Wait
pa.
lang, wait lang, wait lang. Wait, you watch. Ay. Alam mo kung bakit? You know why? You know,
Itchy.
itchy.
Dad.
Pickle? Bye, amoy mo? I'm sorry, nautot ako eh.
Bakit ako wala akong naamoy?
Amoy mo, ate? Amoy mo?
Ngayon naamoy ko.
Wala naman.
Konti lang. Dad, gusto mo magawa ka din?
Nang?
Ganon yung nagawa ko.
Na, cutter?
Mm-mm.
O sige, titignan ko kung paano gawin. I'll search it. Oh, don't do it for me. I'll search it.
Okay. I put back the diamond.
How can we get the diamond? Ang dami dito, kuya.
Na?
Hmm. Dami.
Ako emerald.
May mga ano.
It's actually working. Yes. Let me try. And me, how about me, Mom? How about me? Parang andito na yung gas ko.
Yung?
Hindi, ano lang yun.
Wala
Trial.
pa, hindi pa nag-wake up.
This one. No. Mom. Wait. Please, Mom. One big red. Please. Mom. One big red.
Yes.
Yes.
Making new iron sword. And iron pickaxe. Bakit?
Ano yun?
Oh, emerald!
Ano to gagamitin ko?
Siyempre, iron.
Hindi pwede ito, iron, di ba?
Iron lang.
Ayun lang. Okay lang hindi. Ano ba gamit ng pickaxe na ano?
Pwede din naman diamond.
Emerald?
Teleport ako. Hello.
Hello, I'm flying.
Just
I'm
go down.
checking
We need to go down. If you want to get diamonds, we need to go down.
Dasha, press the smiling face with hearts.
I found gold.
Oh, really?
And
Emerald?
Deep Sea Emerald!
Where?
The rarest ore!
Where are you?
I found Deep Sea
Where are
Emerald!
you?
Deep Sea Emerald!
Where are you?
You can...
Last
Nakabanda.
last 15 minutes, Dad.
Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Kuya.
Teleport!
Katrita.
Don't get that Deep Sea Emerald!
Why?
Ko lang sila granta.
That's super rare!
Why not? I cannot.
Tulong mo na ako.
We
Diyan
don't...
ka ba? Asa ka? Si ate to eh. Kulay.
Ow.
Kulay orange si ate. Ay, kulay blue. Ikaw.
I found Deep Sea Emerald, the rarest
So we
ore
have to
in
go down pa.
Minecraft history.
SNEBCRW
You teleport to me.
903 was blown up by Creeper.
Oh, this one? Bakit ayaw mo kunin, kuya?
Eh, yun yung rarest ore.
Oh, kunin natin.
No, hindi pwede.
Why?
I'm gonna die, bruh.
Chicken ano sila? Chicken ano? Chicken tender. Nak, wag yan. Ay, ano ginagawa mo? Oo. Gagawa kita ng ano.
I play Minecraft.
Get this gold, actually. Ow.
Play na lang.
I'm half an heart.
Yun, may blue, ano yun, blue.
Can you kill me first? Kill me. Punch.
Ayun.
Punch. Here.
Uy, ako pinanch mo eh. Nabasa niyo na yung pangalan natin, Strike? Tama ba?
Paano nasira yung bahay ko?
Ah, paano nasira? Uy, sino yun?
Sinira mo ba, ate?
Pa, 3 minutes lang.
I feel so hungry.
3 minutes lang yung grab.
May blue ano, ano tayo, blue.
Eh di malapit tayo.
Oh,
1, 2,
tsaka wala akong ano.
4. May shovel ako.
Gagawa ko ng ano, pickaxe.
I'll take your order.
Iron pickaxe.
Wala akong iron pickaxe.
Ubus na, naputol na, basag na eh.
It will be done in a minute.
1,
Oh, there.
Adas!
I found copper, actually.
Pag sinira ko yun, magagalit ka?
Yung... yung Deep Sea Emerald?
Yeah.
Siyempre.
Ba't mo kukunin? Ano ba yun? Eh, tapos pag hindi mo sinira,
Eh, pinaka-rarest ore yun in Minecraft history.
o tapos,
Hindi natin makukuha. Dapat may silk touch tayo.
so iba pang pwedeng pangkuha dyan. Kuya, ate, wag mo kukunin ha. This one ha. Yung copper lang, kuya. Nakita ko yun, copper.
Hindi ako makita ng diamonds.
That looks like this. I'm done. This will be my
Ano kailangan nito, kuya?
Hmm?
Pansira?
Yung ano?
Aha.
Yung lapis?
Hindi, yung isa.
Ano?
Yung sabi mo, yung deep, yung soft emerald.
Kailangan mo ng
Soft
silk touch.
silk touch. Iba pa yun?
Enchantment.
So kapag binasag natin yan, wala tayong makukuha. Parang
Wala na.
ganon.
Yes, emerald lang. Normal emerald.
So yung nakuha ko kanina, normal emerald lang yun? Mali ako doon?
Deep dark. Andito yung warden. Gusto mo i-explore?
Saan ka na?
I found diamonds.
Okay, na-find diamonds here. Ito eh! Ay, di pala yan. Diamonds.
Nakakita ka na naman!
Hindi. Ayun yung kanina. Ayun oh.
Oh no. Dami! Jackpot.
Saan?
Diamond.
Saan?
Ah!
I need the purple to go on my way out.
Daming copper dito.
Oh na.
No? Iron din.
Ah! Napatay ako kung kailan may diamonds.
Balik ka dito.
Saan nga?
What do we do with all this?
I found a good, ano no?
Good cave.
Good cave.
I found diamonds again. Only one. You want to fight the warden?
Wait lang, mamamatay na ako. Ano yung warden? Ano yun?
I
Ano
won't
yun?
tell you.
Talagilyo!
STR123R1983 was slain by Zumba.
Sabay.
Ay,
Where are you, ate?
wala naman yung warden dito. Pwede ka mag-craft ng hoe?
Yeah, I can. Wait lang.
Craft ka ng hoe.
Wait lang, ho.
Hoe?
Wait lang, I'll just get some, things first. Uy, dami naman naman nito.
SNEBCR WNT44903 was blown up by
Magbukuhan yung diamond ah.
Ito, yan o, yung diamond.
Huwag mo gamitin yung diamond. Oh man, not a zombie again.
Nag-craft ka na? Ha?
Hanap na naman ako ng diamond. Ow! Can you help?
Go. Wait lang.
You really need to teleport.
Sa'yo?
Yeah.
Saan na?
Go. You can get my diamond in peace. Oh no.
Tika lang. Uy, ang dami nito, kuya. Ano to?
A horde.
Horde? Anong horde lang? Parang makadiri naman yun.
Dad, can you get them?
Actually, I cannot get them eh.
Bakit?
Nahihirapan ako. Wait lang.
STRYQ
Wait lang, babalik ako.
301
Teleport.
3 was shot by skeleton.
Gotta teleport quickly, Dad.
Wait.
Because I found... Ah!
Wait lang. There. Why? Why am I there shooting at me?
Kill them.
Wait lang. So many of the wait. One at a time. We got there first.
Ah! He got killed. Don't call me ano. Saan na yan?
SNEBCRWNT4490.
Saan yun, Dad?
3 was shot by
Yung-
skeleton.
Ayun, deep dark. Found diamonds! Dami! Diamonds! Come! I'll share! Come!
Wait.
You can just tell.
Hindi, kinikil ko muna yung kalaban.
I'll share some diamonds.
It's okay. Gold, may gold din dito.
Okay, you get the gold.
Ay!
STRYQ3R198. 3 was slain by Zumay.
Ate, okay ka lang?
Yup.
Dati.
Dad, get this diamond.
Ang dami mong diamond. Ano ibig sabihin niya, kuya?
Skulk.
Ano yan? Ano ba't ganito sira-sira?
Kuha mo lahat ng skulk. Baka may...
May... Pwedeng ba ano lang? Yung ano yan?
Fist. Wala ka naman makukuha dyan.
Ah,
At walang may gusto ng skulk.
ba't may parang may matitigas na yun?
Eh, ang
May gold
bilis
ako dun
naman.
eh.
Okay, kuha
okay,
mo.
you get that. Okay? I have to
Okay.
fight this guys. Hi, Bright.
But bright.
Very just bright.
I wonder what this is.
They're killing you.
Okay. See them.
Disgusting.
Where?
SNEBCRWNT4490. 3 was blown up by creeper. SNEBCRWNT4490.
Nakalak?
3 left the game.
Saan ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Di ako.
STRYQ3R198.
Yes,
3 was
ma'am.
slain by
Come on.
Zumay.
Pinaiyak naman si Brad.
Don't cry, love.
Try ko mag... Nak. Where are you? You're back home?
Yeah, napatay ako eh.
You can just teleport.
Tignan ko, mag-ano ko ng gamit.
Okay. Found diamond. Dalawa? Dalawa lang?
Breakfast is ready.
nakita ko.
Yes, it worked.
Okay.
Ang dami.
What's that? It sounds like a monster.
No, it's just hunger. You just need to eat.
Help me.
Barbie, take a seat. What, Mama?
Ma,
This is breakfast. No. People eat it every morning, so they have energy. Wait a second, I will get you cereal.
SNUBCRWNT4490 rejoined game.
I did teleport. Oh,
Stop, can't eat this. Your breakfast.
found diamonds again.
Bon appetit. Thank you.
hindi pala ako napag-cross ng ano ko.
Ano?
Ng sword.
Chest. Randomly placed chest.
This is a spoon. It should be used for eating, like this.
I found diamonds.
Daddy, oh no, Grandma,
Again.
Why?
Do we have to hide?
I think so.
How much diamonds did... I got 16 diamonds.
Dami oh.
Dami nga. Puro gold. Oh, that was... Teleport na ako siya from the...
Okay, now. Yes.
Make a sword, ano
Na?
iron sword?
Okay. You still got 1 diamond?
Yeah.
Oh,
Copper na lang. Copper na lang sword. Copper sword.
Now let's play.
it's gonna be hard to find more diamonds. Think. Got this place. I those diamonds for gold, iron, nothing.
Have a safe trip. Come and visit me sometime.
Yep, I'm teleporting.
Kids grow up so fast.
Hey, it's mine. Hey, give it to me.
Is that diamonds? Oh, it's just law.
Awesome.
Found more. You want to get it?
Okay lang.
You.
I'm looking for, wait lang. I found a,
Am I gonna get it?
hindi, naka-ano ko ng,
Can I get it?
na,
Yung diamond.
yeah, it's okay ka lang, it's okay. You have to get it.
Oh, so bright. Careful, don't play with it. It's dangerous. I see no danger in this.
Apat?
Doon dami oh.
There's someone there.
Wala.
Na? Na ano, Dad?
Na diamond dito.
Oh, I found more!
SNUBCRWNT4490 was blown up by creeper.
Have you seen the mermaid here?
I can't eat any mermaid crabs. I know, let's play save the boat and toss the toy into the pool. Yeah!
Oh, ba't Minecraft na yan? Sabi ko bawal Minecraft ah.
Eat
Nagpa-Minecraft si
Love.
Bright?
Ready?
Baka dahil kay ate.
Ready?
Found another geode.
Sabi ko, bawal Minecraft ah.
Dati ko.
Hmm.
Anak na, anak na.
Hmm.
Galing. Ma-explore ka kasi, Dad.
Ha?
Explore ka. You can get the geode if you want. You want it?
Ito. Nag-explore naman din ako. Nag-explore nga ako dito kay sa
Explore ka sa place ko. Kasi lost na din ako.
SNUBCRWN24490 was shot by skeleton.
Gold! I think this is gold.
Gold! Ako nakada. Ilang diamonds na ako? May 20 diamonds! Ma'am, may 20 diamonds ako.
SNUBCRWN24490 was slain by zombie. And then STR and GCK03 joined the game.
Nag-join si Bright?
SNUBCRWN24490 was slain by
Dami mo
spider.
makukuha,
And then
Dad.
STR and
Pag nandito ka sa place
GCK03 was
ko.
slain by zombie.
Hindi ko alam bakit nang dami ko nakukuha din.
Kulay orange siya. Malayo ako sa'yo.
Hmm?
Malayo. I'm so far from you.
I thought it was deep slate emerald or...
Oh no, it's so dangerous. I have to have Dasha.
Oh, I know. I have to catch the mermaid and then I will put
Hindi ko alam bakit mas marami pa ako nakukuha ng diamond.
Kuya, oh.
Wow!
Ano, sirain ko ba to?
Yeah! Yours!
Ano ba to?
That's a diamond!
And then
Dahil mo ba-
STR and GCK03 fell from a high place.
Ha?
Ano yan? Iron?
Oh, iron.
Get that diamond. Ang galing, Dad. Dami ko nakukuha ang diamond.
Sa?
Dito.
Dalawa.
but I'll trick them instead.
2 diamonds.
Two diamonds.
Mm.
Dami nun.
With iron pa.
With iron pa. Combo.
Is he real? Get me out.
Look how I'm gonna go back home.
Get me out. I just wanted to be friends. No.
That was intentional. Ang galing, Dad. Dami nating... Mom! Look at my diamonds. I have 20 currently.
Grabe, ang dami naman diamonds mo.
Teleport na lang ako. Wait lang, baka yung gas ko.
Miss you, Max. Ate! Miss you! Ate! Ate, I need to save Steffi.
Eh? Bakit sini...
And then STR and
Righty! Bakit sinira mo? Ate, tagal nun.
Uy!
Ayoko na maglaro.
Yan na tayo.
Ate.
SNUBCRWN24490 was slain by STRYQ3R201. STRYQ3R1
Patay na
9
naman. Kailan ko gawin lahat ng process na yun? Na naman, ang tagal
Yung,
ng process.
anong process daw?
Nagagawa.
Para sa?
Righty, no!
Righty, did I allow you to play Minecraft?
Dad, meron ako nakita maganda na ano.
Righty. Mommy's telling you something.
It cool. I got 8 cool. Dad, may nakita akong maganda. Teleport ka sa akin. Baka maganda to, Dad. Ay, hindi. Maliit lang.
Teleport ako sa'yo.
Wait lang. Check out ko kung gaano kalaki.
Ito ba pinuntahan ko?
Eh?
Ito ba pinuntahan ko? Hindi.
I don't know.
Para hindi ito.
Hindi
Saan
to,
lumipad?
hindi to malaki, Dad. Hindi to malaki.
Saan lumipad?
Dito lang sa isa pang village.
Ay, hindi yan dito.
You can... Nakahanap ako ng isa pang cave. Parang ito yung dating cave. Kaso, pwede ka naman mag-teleport kung gusto mo.
SNUBCRWN24490 fell from a high place.
Dati tong cave. Ay, hindi. Hindi to maganda. Saan mo nahanap yun? Dad?
Follow me. Ito, mag-ano lang ako ng gamit.
How about punta na tayo sa nether? Ang dami ko naman. I will split them with you. Gusto mo?
Lang.
Yung ano? Yung diamonds ko. Gusto mo?
Para sa
10 diamonds.
isang milaligsan natin ano. Wait, tabi.
Palagay na lang natin sa stash mo. Para sure lahat tayo.
Okay.
Ma'am, si Daddy nakakuha siya ng 5 diamonds. Ako nakakuha ko ng 20 diamonds.
Yan ay, dahil
Don't get the things, Brighty. Dalagay mo na, Dad? Okay. What? Pupunta na tayo sa nether. Come.
I don't have any armor.
Armor?
Time's up na.
Ha?
Time's up na po. That's the alarm.
Ah.
But
But I got so much diamonds.
no.
MMSTRNGCQ03 was slain by SNUBCRWN24490.
Hindi maganda pag pinapanaro si Brighty ng ano.
Mas na, let's go.
Tapos na?
Yeah.
Okay, 7 quit.
No.
7 quit ka na. Wala na!